to our channel Science and Knowledge. Finally, the new S Pen stylus for the Galaxy S24 Ultra has already passed certification. We can feel the approach of a cool flagship. On the other hand, Samsung expects to sell 10% more of its upcoming Galaxy S24 lineup flagships thanks to AI. Samsung is expected to unveil the much anticipated Galaxy S24 lineup early next year. There have already been plenty of rumors about the upcoming devices, but now a new certification hints at the S Pen stylus that will be paired with the top-of-the-line Galaxy S24 Ultra model. Like the Galaxy S23 Ultra, it is expected that the Galaxy S24 Ultra model will also come to the market with a special stylus, the branded S Pen. With even before the official announcement, the new S Pen was spotted on the Bluetooth SIG website. Looking at the online listing, the database shows that the S Pen stylus for the Galaxy S24 Ultra has a model number EJPS928. This new S Pen model is the same as the SMS928, which is the stylus associated with the Galaxy S24 Ultra model. The Bluetooth certification only confirms that the Galaxy S24 Ultra will be equipped with an S Pen. Since this is a new generation smartphone, the latest version of the S Pen may come with an improved design or additions to its features or functions. On the other hand, Samsung expects to sell 10% more of its upcoming Galaxy S24 lineup flagships thanks to AI. Samsung recently announced its plans to introduce new AI capabilities next year, and it's look like the company has high hopes that this will be boost sales of the new Galaxy S24 lineup and Galaxy Fold 6 and Flip 6 smartphones. At least, that's what a new target suggested: shipments of 30 million units of the Galaxy S24, S24 Plus and Galaxy S24 Ultra model. If Samsung can get enough attention for its new AI flagships and hit the new target, it could increase shipments by 10%. According to the Korea Daily, Samsung is banking on the Galaxy S24 lineup to boost sales of premium Galaxy phones. Currently, more than 75% of the company's phones are low-cost models, which means that the average selling price of the Samsung Galaxy is only $295. The expected launch of the new Galaxy S24 lineup is very close, in January 2024. That is, there is not much time left, and given Samsung's lack of experience in this area. That's it for now. For more updates, please subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. Until the next video, take care of yourself. Bye. Peace out.